guys, this is a renter-friendly project and I want to show you how I converted this large mirror that I had in the bathroom into this. I use mostly Dollar Tree items for this and I am so pleased with the result. It is renter-friendly and it is so easy to make, and I'd like to share with you guys how I made it. Now let's go ahead and get started. I took a foam board and I cut it down to the strips. They will be according to the height and the width of my bathroom mirror, and I'll be using this duct tape to add the strip together. Like I said earlier, I use the dimensions for the bathroom mirror to actually cut down the strips. And I'd like to say at this point that if you have access to wood, you can definitely use wood. But this is what I have and it works as well, because the design will hold up regardless of what you use. These are art palettes that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they come 6 in the pack. I used this silver spray paint and I spray painted them all silver, and I left this part because that's what I'm going to be gluing down onto the foam board. Now I'm going to be gluing down all of the art palettes to fit all of the strips that I cut down. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. This is what they look like after they've been glued down. Now these parts here were left because the design that I'm going to be making would need some extra length, so I just left that just in case. These are gems that I got from Walmart and they're attached to a glue string. And it's self-adhesive, but I'm not going to trust it because it's going to come off easy, so I used the hot glue to hold it in place. I did that on both sides, and then I repeated the same thing for the rest. I took silver plastic spoons that I got from the Dollar Tree, used for dessert, to make a design at the top, carving the points where each of the palettes meet. I'll be using the same spoons to form another pattern at the sides. These are large gems that I got from Walmart, and they are self-adhesive. I will be putting them to add to the design somewhere in the middle. I mean, they're self-adhesive, so I played around with it and I put some on my fingers, yay, to make it easy to pick them up and glue them down. And I used the hot glue gun because the adhesive that comes with the gems are not so strong. So the hot glue gun holds it strong enough in place. So I did that for all of the design. And then at the back, I secured it properly using an E6000 glue. You're going to be dabbing it carefully at these points. This is the mirror that I will be working on. So to hang on the designs, this is what I'm going to be using. It's like a command strip, and I got these from items that I purchased a long time ago, and I have a lot of them. So this is how I'm going to be gluing them onto the mirror because they're self-adhesive and easy to remove. And I measured and put the other part of it onto the back of the design. I cut off this excess because I didn't need it again, and so I hanged it on the mirror. So I added a spoon here to cover up the space and a gem, and another spoon at the upper side to make it flow with the rest of the design. I took Mod Podge and a brush to cover up this part here that's close to the sink as a protective layer against splashing water. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, you guys. I am so pleased with the turnout. You can also use stones on wood and create the same design. The possibilities are endless. This is such an inexpensive project and it's renter friendly. This is so pretty, and it's hard to tell that they're art palettes because they're all together forming one design. Everything was from the Dollar Tree except for the gems. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this awesome transformation, and remember to like and share, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.